Important reasons of being a victim. 1. High online visibility and exposure. Women and girls have higher engagement on social media platforms, making them more vulnerable to cyber threats. Personal details shared online can be misused by cybercriminals for stalking, blackmail, or identity theft. Public profiles and frequent posting increase chances of unwanted attention and harassment. Photos, check-ins, and daily updates help offenders track routines and locations. 2. Lack of cyber awareness and digital literacy. Many women and girls are unaware of privacy settings, cybersecurity threats, and online safety measures. Lack of knowledge about phishing, malware, and scam tactics makes them easier targets. Many users do not update apps or devices, leaving security loopholes open. Not knowing how to report or block abuse allows offenders to continue harassment. 3. Manipulation and emotional exploitation. Cybercriminals use psychological tricks, fake identities, and emotional manipulation to exploit women and girls. Romance scams, sextortion, and online grooming are common threats. Victims are often pressured into sharing private photos or information emotionally. Fear, shame, and emotional attachment are used to silence victims. 4. Over-reliance on digital platforms. Increased online dating, remote work, and social networking exposes women to cyber threats. Fake profiles, catfishing, and identity theft are commonly used to exploit victims. Excessive dependence on online communication reduces face-to-face verification. Scammers exploit loneliness and professional needs to gain trust. 5. Privacy breaches and data leaks. Women's personal information, including contact details, location, and private images, is often leaked due to hacking or weak security settings. Misuse of AI and facial recognition technologies makes it easier for criminals to track and target victims. Cloud storage and shared devices increase the risk of unauthorized access. Once leaked, personal data can be reused repeatedly for harassment or threats. 6. Greed. Relationship with rich and renowned male over social media platform. To build a social media image by sharing personal information. Desire for luxury lifestyle images makes users ignore warning signs. Cybercriminals exploit ambition and social validation for financial fraud. 7. Ignorance. Clicking on unverified links. Accepting friend request from unknown person. Using weak password. Reusing the same password across platforms increases hacking risk. Ignoring security alerts and warnings leads to account compromise. 8. Trust. Believing in strangers' online identity, age, words, and commitments without verification. Trusting someone who met online with personal and intimate contents. Oversharing emotions and personal struggles makes manipulation easier. Trust built too quickly online often hides fake intentions and identities. 9. Red flag. Whenever you come across something unusual, easy, and lucrative, pause and ask yourself to do further verification, raise a red flag in your mind, and take a moment to think before making any decision. Beware of friend requests from strangers with their online identity, age, words, and commitments without verification. Beware before sharing private photos or information emotionally to anyone. Think before establishing relationship with rich and renowned male over social media platform. It could be fake. Need proper verification. Think before sharing personal information to build your image on social media platform. Desire for luxury lifestyle images makes users ignore warning signs. Introduction. Key points. The rise of the internet has created new platforms for communication, but also new risks, especially for girls and women. Cyber-sexual offenses include harassment, exploitation, and abuse that take place online. This presentation explores the types of offenses, their impact, and strategies for prevention. What are cyber-sexual offenses? Definition. Cyber-sexual offenses refer to any form of sexual harassment, exploitation, or abuse conducted through digital platforms such as social media, messaging apps, and websites. Examples. Cyber-stalking, messaging or call to harass, scare, or threaten someone with physical harm. Non-consensual sharing of images, sharing private images or videos without consent, for example, revenge porn. Sextortion, threats to share intimate images unless demands are met. Common platforms for cyber-sexual offenses. Social media, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok. Messaging apps, WhatsApp, Telegram, Snapchat. Online gaming, harassment within gaming communities. Dating apps, misuse of dating platforms to coerce or blackmail. Anonymous forums, platforms like Reddit. Impact on victims. Emotional and psychological harm, anxiety, depression, PTSD. Loss of privacy, fear of exposure and violation of personal space. Social stigma, victim blaming and isolation. Career and educational impact, harassment leading to withdrawal from public and online spaces. Physical safety concerns, online threats leading to real-world dangers. Psychological effects of cyber-sexual offenses. Fear and anxiety, victims may constantly fear online or real-world threats. Depression, prolonged harassment can lead to feelings of helplessness and low self-worth. Isolation, fear of judgment or exposure can cause victims to withdraw from social interactions. Suicidal thoughts, in severe cases, victims may suffer from suicidal ideation. Preventive measures and safety tips. Strengthen privacy settings, regularly review and update social media privacy controls. Limit personal information, be cautious about sharing personal details, especially on social media platforms. Online. Report abuse, use platform tools to report abusive behavior or content immediately. Two-factor authentication, protect accounts from being hacked. Educate girls and women, raise awareness about cyber safety and legal rights. Role of schools and institutions. Cyber safety workshops, regular workshops to educate students about cyber threats and sexual offenses. Counseling services, provide support to victims of online harassment or abuse. Cyber ethics curriculum, teach responsible online behavior and the impact of cyber offenses. Anti-harassment policies, schools should have clear policies against cyber-sexual harassment. Dial 1930 for any complaint. Report cybercrime at www.cybercrime.com. News about cyber offenses in media. Conclusion. Summary. Cyber-sexual offenses are a growing issue with severe psychological, social, and legal consequences. Call to action. It is crucial to increase awareness, provide resources, and strengthen laws to combat these offenses effectively. Final message. Stay informed, stay safe, and speak up against cyber-sexual offenses. Thank you. Stay safe, stay smart, stay secure.